Color can quietly transform plain particles into expressive visual accents. Today, how to explore speckle color effects. Open Photoshop and create a 1920 by 1080 canvas filled with a deep navy tone. Add a new layer, fill it with black, and apply Add Noise around 65%, Gaussian monochromatic. Open levels and isolate bright speckles, then change blend mode to screen. Add a hue saturation adjustment clipped to the speckle layer and check Colorize. Move the hue slider slowly to test different color tones, adjusting saturation to control intensity. Duplicate the speckle layer, choose a different hue, and lower its opacity